Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you my current workflow in exporting assets to Wwise projects using Reaper. So this diagram summarizes the overall picture of what I'm doing. So I'm working on Reaper um to create multiple assets, and once the changes are done I put them directly inside the originals, SFX, and within any subfolders or directly under SFX or voices folder. So in this way the changes that I do will be reflected in Wwise without me having to copy files manually. And I'm doing the export using Reaper's region render matrix. So I'll quickly show you how I do this. So this here I have 3 assets created for this particular video. Right, and now to export this one, I have a master track here starting with regions and a number and a track name. And I'm going to select this and make sure all the tracks are selected. And in this step what I'm doing is I'm generating 3 text regions inside this master track, and based on that text regions I'll be creating the final regions for this particular project. So I'm using a custom script to generate region names. Replace, and my asset name will be elephant move underscore, because after the underscore I want to have 2 digits number. That's why I rename this enumeration to 2. So it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Done. And you can see in the master track 3 text regions are created, and based on these text regions I'll be now creating the track regions. So just to show what happens, I switch to region marker manager section, and I have another script running in header regions markers. You can see 3 regions were created automatically, and if I expand a bit you can see just like I wanted, elephant move underscore 01, 02, 03. So like that you can create any name you want using these scripts. And then I'm going to render a region render matrix and just select whatever the regions I want to render. So now when I click this you can see I have a difficult time selecting these regions in Reaper. This happens sometimes at this point with this particular version. So the workaround I have found is just to save the project and quickly reload it. Now I can select. So now I've selected these 3 and just select render, and this is where I select my originals folder in Wwise project. So in this case I want to put them inside this SFX and another folder elephant move, because I'll be I'm using this elephant move as a random container in Wwise. So selected that, and file name would be region like here, and easily I can now render. So this is because I already have these files rendered earlier, so I'll just override. Done. So now if I go back to my Wwise project, you can see, so these files are refreshed, and if it's not refreshing you can just play the existing sound ones and switch to original and then click back on original, then it will reload. in case you don't hear the changes. So now these are loaded from the originals folder. So now is the interesting part. If you want to do any changes, so I just want to remove this one completely. So easily you can just do the changes in your Reaper project and then just render out files from here. Done. Go back to Wwise. So if it reflected, yeah, now it is like that. Thank you very much for watching.